I'm the IELTS examiner Azhar Yashal taking the IELTS test of Sayyida Amna. Test is being held at Yashal English House on 17 December 2022 at quarter to 2 o'clock. What's your good name?
My full name is Saida Amna Naqvi, but my family and close friend call me Amna, so you can call me Amna.
Okay. Uh, Amna, can you tell me about your hometown?
Basically, my hometown is Kashmir, and Kashmir is one of the beautiful city of Pakistan. Kashmir is very special because I born there and brought up there. There are connected a lot of memories in my childhood and youth.
Are there any problems your hometown is facing?
As far as there are facilities there, but there are some problems there, like there are too much traffic issues, sometime in morning and sometime in evening.
Okay, fine. Let's move on and talk about shopping. Do you enjoy shopping?
Honestly, I don't like shopping because I have tough routine and I am doing studies, so I don't like shopping.
So, what are you studying?
In 2021, I passed my intermediate, and currently I am doing LLB in Rawalpindi Law College, affiliated with Punjab University.
Can I ask you why did you select this field, law?
Yes, because I thought that law is very honorable for girls, and girls feel very confident and powerful with this profession.
Okay, what's your favorite subject in law?
In law, I thought that sociology is my favorite subject because
I thought that, or I think?
I think that
I think. Okay. And you can say, like, sociology is my favorite subject. Fine. Why don't you like shopping? Why don't you like shopping?
Because I mentioned that I have tough routine, and I am doing study hardly, and I usually in sometime I go shopping with my mother, and do some shopping like clothes and
Where do you usually go?
weekend.
No, where do you usually go?
I usually go with some shopping malls like commercial and sometime Centaurus also.
Okay. Let's talk about food. What are some of your favorite foods?
I like all kind of food, but especially biryani and macaroni.
You like spicy food?
Yes.
And how about cooking? Are you good at cooking?
Yes, sometime I made some dishes, but it's depend upon my mood.
Fine. Do you watch television a lot?
Yes, I watch many movies and news also, but in my mobile phone because I feel more comfortable in my mobile phone because there are varieties of choices.
What kind of movie do you prefer? Hollywood or Bollywood?
I watch both, but I in these days I watch a large number of horror movies and comedy.
Horror movies?
Yes.
Don't you get scared when you watch horror movies?
No, because I thought that it's just fun.
Okay. Fine. What can we learn from horror movies?
First of all, I learned that how to improve ourselves and control our fear when.
Okay, as you are using mobile phone instead of watching television, what do you think after 5 or 10 years, use of television would be over? Like everyone would be using mobile phone?
But it's depend upon personal choice. First of all, because some people think that television are more comfortable than mobile phone, but I experienced that more people use mobile phone than television because there are varieties of movies and films. It's depend upon our
What do you
choice.
usually do at weekend when you get free time?
Yes, I first of all I do some rest after tough routine, and then make some dishes and spend some time with myself.
Do you like to take part in sports and games as well?
Yes, also basically I am sports lover person. I remember that when I am in college,
When I was in
when
college.
I was in college, I take participate in many competition, and I am very happy to say that I win many prizes in sports.
Fine. Okay, this is the end of your speaking part 2. Moving to the speaking part 3, I'm giving you a cue card. And for cue card, you have to prepare for 1 minute and then you have to speak for 2 minutes. This is describe a good law in your country, and that is relevant as well with your field. If you want to make some points,
Okay.
this is the paper and ball pen. You have 1 minute to prepare, then for 2 minutes you have to speak. You may start speaking now.
Okay. First of all, I say that there are in my country there are a lot of laws will improve in these years, and I thought that next some years, but especially improve our women rights. I thought that in last 5 years it's improved very much, and I remember that my friend after her marriage, her husband abused her and treat like a slave. She talked to me about this and said that what to do, and I suggested her to take some actions and file a case, and she to do like this, and after case she win case, and court will provide some protection about her husband and take some step about this. And I thought that this is very good for women, because in this year women crime increase day by days, and it's very important to government should take some step prevent of this.
Okay, fine. This is the end of your speaking part 2. Moving to the speaking part 3. And speaking part 3, I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer. What other laws they are in the favor of females?
Other laws favor of women. I thought that there are varieties of laws.
I think
that there are varieties of laws like protection laws and some other laws. It's very important for women to improve ourselves and increase our skills.
Okay, fine. What do you recommend females, like they should do the jobs in the area where there are the co-workers, or most of the co-workers are females, or they can do the job with the males as well?
It's very important that environment should be good, but I thought that there is no difference between male and male, and we should work both and take some experience. And I suggested that women also job where they are co-workers and take some experience.
Okay, fine. Most of the time when you go somewhere outside on the road, there is a traffic congestion.
Yes.
So which laws we usually don't follow, we don't act upon? So that's why
I thought that I think that in my country most of the people don't follow traffic rules, and they thought that it's not big deal, but it is the responsibility of our government to take some step about this and make some strict rules to people follow this.
Okay, how they can reduce the traffic congestion?
I thought that make some.
I think
that sorry, sir. I think that make some solid rules and aware people for some NGOs to follow this.
Okay, fine. This is the end of your speaking part 3. The one word is I thought. Instead of using thought, you have to use I think. Think present tense है, thought आपका past tense है. Past के लिए नहीं आपने use करना, आपने think present के लिए use करना है. Secondly, ये होता है कि जो आपके tenses है ना, उसमें switching काफ़ी है. Present tense से past tense में आप जा रही हैं, past से present में जा रही हैं. Helping verbs भी है. Secondly, एक होता है we call it subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. जो subject verb agreement है, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा आपने काम करना है. Your subject should be according to verb and verb के बाद जो object होता है वो according to verb होना चाहिए. इस पे थोड़ा सा काम करना है आपने. बाकी content ठीक है, fluency भी किसी हद तक ठीक है, सिर्फ जो sentence structure है ना उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, उस पर आपको थोड़ा सा काम करना है. ठीक है, इस लेवल पे आप जाएंगी बड़ी मुश्किल से 5.5 तक. ठीक है, बट यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगी उतना ज़्यादा आप अच्छा स्कोर कर सकती हैं.
ओके, थैंक यू.
ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू.